right, this is the video for math activities for week 4 packet. In activity 1, you're going to play multiplication war. You'll use a standard deck of cards, or you can, if you have multiplication cards at home, flashcards, you can use those as well. You'll deal out the cards to both players. Kings, queens, and jacks are worth 10. Aces are worth 1. You'll decide who will go first. You'll flip 2 cards up, and your opponent will do the same thing. Each person must say their multiplication fact and the product, which is the answer to that multiplication fact. Whoever has the greatest product or answer wins all 4 cards. You will continue until someone has all the cards in the deck in their possession. If that's you, you win. And you do not need to do anything on here to show your work for this. Activity 2, you're going to be finding the area of some irregular shapes. You'll be putting your final answer down here for each of the figures. There's 3. Don't forget to split the shapes up into 2 rectangles to find these areas. So you would maybe draw a line across here, find the area of this top rectangle, which has dimensions of 1 and 3. Find the area of this rectangle, which has dimensions of 4 and 10, and add those together. All right, activity 3. This is on fractions, which we did not get to cover fractions yet in the school year, so I have included 2 videos if you need to look at those. Hopefully the activity is pretty straightforward for you, but if you are finding you're confused and not sure about what to do, feel free to type at the bottom, not sure how to answer these questions. So the activity is asking you to use small squares of construction or colored paper, or you could simply color white paper using a crayon. You're going to make a creature of your choice, kind of like this guy down here. You want to use anywhere from 3 to 6 different colors, and then you're going to label your creature writing the fraction of colors used to design your fraction creature. Here is the example. So the very first thing you want to know is how many squares you're using altogether. And in this example, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that gives you what's called your denominator, or the bottom number in your fraction. Then this is where you'll label the different colors. So in this example, there are 3 blue out of 10. There are 5 green out of 10, and there are 2 red out of the 10 total. So to show your work for this, you would type the color that you're using. So if you used red, you'd type red here, and you would type your fraction. To use the fraction bar, you just use the backslash and the denominator. You have 2 follow-up questions. After doing that, it says, what color did you use the most? Type your answer here. And then how does that help you understand what the greatest or largest fraction is? Type your answer here. And those are your 3 activities for math for week 4.